Ever wondered what an earthquake leaves behind long after the shaking stops? It's more than just cracked buildings. Earthquakes can permanently reshape our world. Deep beneath the surface, massive tectonic plates shift along fault lines, releasing incredible energy as seismic waves. This doesn't just cause a few minutes of terror. It sets off a chain reaction. The very ground can rise or sink, rerouting rivers and altering coastlines forever. Entire ecosystems can be disrupted, affecting wildlife and plant life for decades. And the danger doesn't end there. Earthquakes often trigger deadly secondary disasters. Imagine a powerful tsunami crashing ashore or a massive landslide burying a whole town. Understanding these devastating, long-term effects is absolutely critical. It's the key to better building codes, smarter city planning, and ultimately, saving lives when the next big one hits. Earthquakes aren't just a momentary disaster. Their impact lasts for generations. Deep beneath our feet, tectonic plates grind against each other along fault lines. When the pressure gets too much, it releases in the form of seismic waves, causing the ground to tremble violently. But the real story begins after the shaking stops. These powerful events can permanently alter landscapes, rerouting rivers and creating new hills. This triggers long-term environmental changes that disrupt entire ecosystems and reshape human life. And it doesn't end there. Earthquakes often set off a deadly chain reaction, causing secondary disasters like massive tsunamis and devastating landslides that can be even more destructive than the quake itself. Understanding these profound effects is absolutely crucial for disaster preparedness and building more resilient communities. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more insights into the forces that shape our planet.